Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 0, and y equals 39. The second point has x equals 2, and y equals 31.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 0 to x equals 2, the run is 2. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 39 to y equals 31, the rise is -8.
Slope is rise divided by run, -8/2, which simplifies to -4. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is -4, x1 is 0, and y1 is 39.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.